Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic. I received the question, can a will give a life estate to a property? So the answer is yes. I'll explain a little bit more. A life estate is where one person is given the authority, the permission to live in a property for all of their life. And then upon their death, the property will go somewhere else. The actual way to create a life estate is through a deed. Say, for example, that I am the owner of a property and I want, who should I use? I want my adult child to be able to remain in the home after my death for all of their life. I can, in present day, change the deed. I'll give a different example. I own a property outright, and I want to stay in the property all of my life, and then upon my death, give it to my adult child. So I would create a new deed with the name of the person that I want to get the property. And in the deed, I would reserve for myself a life estate. I had confused myself. That's one way to create a life estate. It's on the deed, the presently existing deed, and the person that resides in the home keeps the life estate, and then the property transfers to the next person upon the death of the person that has the life estate. The question was, I am on a deed, I own the property, no one has a life estate. Can I, in my will, say, upon my death, I want this next person to have a life estate, and then after that person passes away, I want the property to go to someone else? Yes, it is possible. So in that example, I use letters, I guess, X and Y. So this would be the will of Frank Bruno. That's me. And I would say, upon my death, I give to X the ability to stay in the property located at 123 Street. I permit X to remain there for all of their life, or for as long as they choose, X chooses. And then, upon the death of X, I want the property to go to Y. That is completely possible. I talked myself in and out of a situation on this video, but it is possible. It can be done. I have done it. And in writing, it looks very smooth. If you would like me to write something for you, a will, a trust, an estate plan, a guardianship petition, a new deed, my office can do it. We can do it together. Stay safe and be well. FrankBrunoLaw.com.